is he gon' do? Know that that's the truth. I've been on my grind, don't speak, they'll see it soon. I gotta get paid, yeah, I got it self-made, yeah. I stay in the gym and I stay in my lane. Boy, you got me feeling crazy. No, I won't.
Oh my God, like how did he do that?
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kill by K the MUA, and today I'm back with another YouTube video. This gave like a leopard cheetah print type feel, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. You already know I cleansed her face and then I went in with some hydro primer from NYX, and then right after that I followed it up with some NYX Angelville.
Knockout. You win.
Cleansed up her eyebrow hair with a razor, and then I went in with some Makeup Revolution concealer in C13, and I just carved out her natural arch. Now I'm taking some Morphe brow gel in the shade Java, and I'm stamping out the outline of her brows. I'm not filling anything in yet, but I'm just going to stamp it to give me a nice shape. Taking the Juviasplace Zulu palette, I'm tapping that warm brown all over her lid. Taking the Warrior 2 palette from Juviasplace, I'm now tapping the dark brown on the outer part of her crease to deepen up her eye. Y'all already know I'm going in with my P. Louise base, and I'm stamping out my cut crease. This is shade number 3. Taking that same brown from the Warrior 2 palette, I'm going to smoke out the outer part of the base just so there are no harsh lines. And then on top of that dark brown, I'm going to take the same brown from the Zulu and smoke that out. Now I'm just going in and stamping the nude shade all over her eye from the Warrior 2 palette, and then I'm just going to go back and forth with that brown from the Zulu and fade it out. Okay guys, I told you it was not as hard as it looks. All I did was stamp around with a liquid liner on my client's eyes, and I kept playing with shapes, and I got a cheetah print look eventually. My best advice for this technique is to draw semicircles with little squivel lines, and you can go back in and fill in whatever you need, so just leave open space in between. Going in with some gold liner, and I'm tapping that in between the little opening spaces. Then all I did was go back on top with the black liner and fill in what was missing. Alright guys, so off camera I went in and did my client's waterline with a white Jumbo NYX pencil, and it came out a little bit patchy. I didn't fix it in the video, but you will see the final videos that I took on my phone. I did go in and cleanse that. Now I'm just taking some white diamonds pigment from JLARUE and stamping that all over the eye. Time to give the girlie's face. I went in with some Juviasplace foundation. Her shade is the shade Dakar, and I just stamped that all over her face. A little trick that I like to use for anyone who recently got a nose piercing, or just anyone in general, I like to use a smaller brush when applying the foundation around the nose. It gets in all the little creases. Taking the same Makeup Revolution concealer that I put under her eyebrows, I'm putting that all over her face and blending that out with my same foundation brush. Smaller brushes definitely help, so I just went in with one and got every little crease I could. So I went in with some lash glue on her lash line and then some lash glue on her inner corner, and I'm taking some gold glitter and putting that right on the inner corner. Now I'm just taking some Banana Deep powder from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going under the eyes and anywhere that I conceal. So I took some Sephora bronzer and bronzed her whole face, and now I'm going in with some blush. I'm taking a bright red to warm up her skin all up on the cheeks. So then I took some Anglowla highlighter, and I took a very light amount because that highlighter is very heavy. So I put it all over her face, and then we went right into cleansing off her lips so that I could put on her lip combo. While her lips were drying, I just took the brown from the Warrior 2 palette that we used to deepen up the crease, and I filled in her brows with any sparse hair.
You win.
So I put on my favorite lashes from Shop MJ Luxury. These are the Drama Queen lashes. And then I went in with my lip combo, my brown pencil, matte lip, butter gloss, and of course some clear gloss. Okay guys, so after this clip is when I decided to clean up her under eye with the white a little bit. So I'm so sorry that I didn't get that on camera, but it did look better. Alright guys, so these next few videos are the ones that I took on my phone. No filter, honey, period. She was giving. I cleaned up her under eye. It was bomb. No filter, honey. Not a 1, not a 2. So let me know what you guys like in the comments below. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Turn on post notice and we'll be back. Bye.